Is a wake boat for under $40,000. It's a 2007 Super Aeronautique Correctcraft 210. I was told that everything on this boat works, including all 3 ballast tanks plus the stereo system. This boat is currently for sale for $37,000 as is, or $40,000 with new upholstery. Boat prices are still insane, so this is one of the lowest prices I've seen for a wake boat in a while. This boat has a decent amount of options, including quad tower speakers, which are an awesome feature to have. With some new upholstery and assuming everything runs well, this could be a great little lake boat. I definitely would not be surprised if this sells in the next few weeks. And as always, brought to you by Boat Buddies.